Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Luxie Nails, and I'm super excited to try these dip powders. And the first color here is my favorite. It is called Sugar Cookie, and this color screams Sugar Cookie. It has these beautiful matte glitters, and then it has these flakes of green and red. Simply beautiful, and it's definitely giving me those sugar cookie vibes. And then the next color here, it's called Marshmallow, and it is stunning. It is a white glitter, but it's like irregular shaped glitters, and it's super stunning. It kind of looks like shattered ice or fresh snow on the ground. It's super pretty. And then paired together with Sugar Cookie, it is giving me all those sugary holiday vibes, and I'm really excited to dive into these powders. So we are going to be creating a press-on set and doing the gel method. All right, so let's dive into these beautiful powders, and I'll pop back in at the end. Alright, so we're just wrapping up this mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. There's just something about sugar cookie that's super unique. I honestly have never seen a dip powder like this before with like that matte kind of glitter with those beautiful foils. I'm completely obsessed with it, and it's definitely giving me all those sugar cookie vibes, and now I really want a sugar cookie. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next upload.